Welcome to El Nido.
So we are going on a boat tour today around El Nido in Palawan, the Philippines. We're basically going to be doing Tour A, if that means anything to you, but if not, we're going to show you lots of different spots on Tour A, which is one of the boat tours in El Nido. We are currently on the beach in El Nido, just in like the town, and it is so beautiful. The mountains here are stunning. We came in by ferry from Coron, if you watched the last video. We stayed in this houseboat on top of the water in Coron. I definitely recommend checking it out. This is one of my favorite videos ever. And yeah, it's just so beautiful here, and I was so excited to start the tour. So let's go.
Let's get out there.
So we're just about to get on the boat. We're just on the beach in El Nido. It looks so beautiful. I think it's going to be a really, really nice day today. So yeah, let's go. Hello. Okay, so we've just reached our first location. It's a snorkeling location. We're in between these two massive islands. It looks insane. Yeah, we're just gonna go snorkeling and hopefully see a sea turtle, but we don't know.
Should we jump off the roof?
Yeah, let's go.
Blue dew, blue moon, kinda mysterious, shaded with some.
Okay, so we've just arrived at the Big Lagoon and it looks amazing. Well, actually we can't see it, we just see these mountains on the outside, but you basically...
It's in there.
Yeah, it's in there somewhere, and the water over there looks so blue. I'm just gonna take off my drone and then hopefully we're gonna rent kayaks and go into it and just explore it, which is gonna be so cool. So, yeah.
It's gonna save you.
Thanks, baby.
It's gonna make you.
So we have just started paddling towards the Big Lagoon over there. It looks amazing on the drone. It looks so insane. But now we've got to go in there and see it with our own eyes.
I've got a broken paddle.
Amelia's paddle's kind of broken, but it's all good. We're still moving. We're still grooving. I better help her paddle now because she's getting a bit annoyed.
I'm going at an awkward angle because it's not really working.
All right, let's go.
Jaded, but let's not talk about you. Your cloudy song.
Look how amazing this is. It's so clear, guys. It's so clear. This is stunning. We've come through like the narrow bit, and now we're just going like to the right. It looks like there's no one there. No one in here, and the water looks insane. Guys, this is a beautiful spot. How you doing, Amelia? Amelia's just gone for a little swim. It looks so beautiful.
But I just got told off.
Apparently you're not allowed to swim in this section for some reason. I think it's because of sea snakes or something. Get back in. We've just put our kayak here and come for a little swim. Look how beautiful it is.
It's so shallow here as well.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, film it.
Amelia's trying to be a mermaid.
I am a mermaid.
You are a mermaid, okay.
So we are going to head back to the boat on our kayak and we're going to head to the next location, and I have no idea where that is, but I think we're going to be snorkeling.
Are you ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay guys, so this is where we're staying. We're staying in Frendz Hostel, and it's an amazing hostel. It's only been open since 2019, obviously a couple of years off because of COVID, but this place is amazing and it's more of a resort than a hostel. So let me take you around. This is one of the dorm rooms, an 8-bed dorm room, and as you can see, you get a curtain, which is so nice if you're staying in hostels. I've stayed in so many hostels, whenever there's a curtain, it's a good one. So it's so nice. It's also, if you just come in here, come into my little cozy pad, you've got so much area to put stuff in, and then you've got a light as well, which is so nice, and obviously a charging port, and you can, there's even a British charging port, which is very rare when you're in Asia, so that's so nice. But these rooms, obviously there's AC because it's quite hot in the Philippines, but this place has a rooftop pool, and we got to go show you because it is amazing and it's such a beautiful spot. It's one of the only place, I think it is the only place in El Nido which has a rooftop pool, and it's a hostel. So it's more of a resort hotel vibe than an actual hostel. So if you're looking to come to El Nido, I definitely recommend coming to Frendz Hostel. Guys, we've just landed on this beach and it's insane. The sand is literally the whitest thing ever. It's so soft as well.
It's so soft, you sink into it.
Yeah, you like sink into it. Honestly, sand shouldn't be this soft. I swear it's not normally. It's so cool.
So we just had lunch, which was so good, and they like prepared a full table spread for us. It was like squid, mussels, fish, fresh fruit, rice, noodles, a bit of everything. And like the fruit was so pretty and it was so good. So we're nice and full.
It's got all the aesthetics for you, hasn't it?
All the aesthetics.
Oh yeah. I'll have to ask what this beach name is because it's absolutely beautiful, isn't it?
Oh my gosh, it's like
this,
paradise.
The sand is so soft. It's literally probably the best sand I've ever felt. At the moment it is really warm, so we're just going to chill in the shade for a bit and then maybe go in the sea in a minute because it's a good way to cool down, especially when it looks that blue. Yeah.
And we don't want to get burned.
We don't want to get burned. Make sure you wear sun cream and make sure it's ocean safe so you don't ruin the sea as well. There you go. This is one of the most beautiful places like in the world, and there's just like Filipino tourists and a few like foreigners. It's just insane. Like, why are people not more traveling here? Like, obviously a lot of people travel to Thailand, but honestly, some of the most beautiful scenery in the world is right here in El Nido and on the island of Palawan. Guys, you've got to come here. You've got to come.
You got to.
Please come, but don't make it too busy. Sorry to interrupt the video, but me and Amelia are doing a Bali group trip and we want you to come. So if you're interested in coming on a big holiday with Amelia and myself, then we are running a group trip from July 11th to July the 18th. And we're doing loads of cool activities. We even go to Nido, which is one of my favorite islands ever. And if you are interested, I'm going to leave a link in the bio in the first line so that you can click on it and then just have a look at pricings and all that. It is going to be so cool. If you want to join, the deadline is the 12th of May. So if you want to come, make sure you book before then. Back to the video.
So we're actually on the tour with Happy Life and they are amazing. They have like such a good vibe, good music, the boat's really nice, get a load of shade and you can jump off the roof. And yeah, it's all about bringing people together, which is so nice, and it's especially what you want when you're traveling. Like, it's so nice to meet people.
Thank you. Bye.
Guys, we just had the craziest experience.
Everyone just suddenly, a whole massive group of Filipino tourists just came and swarmed us.
They were like, just came and it was like paparazzi. They all wanted photos with us. It was so funny.
Yeah, like all the girls came and had pictures of me and all the boys wanted a picture with you, and then we're like, have them together.
Boy.
Yeah, this little kid, as you would see. It's so funny. The Filipino people are so lovely.
They are.
They're always so happy, so smiley, just want to say hello. It makes us feel very welcome in this country.
All night long. Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you?
So we just got to Seven Commandos Beach and oh my gosh, it's insane. There's this massive cliff and like loads of palm trees on the beach. The water is again crystal clear. Wow.
And the palm trees all behind you as well. It looks so pretty.
It's literally tropical paradise. Like if you were to look up a picture of tropical, this would be it.
This is it, guys. We're in paradise right now. Also, on Seven Commandos Beach, you can actually play volleyball, you can play basketball. It's such a cool area just to like hang out for a few hours and just, you know, play some beach games. And obviously swimming and snorkeling, because you can pretty much snorkel everywhere and see so many fish around here. Right, now it is so warm, so we're gonna have to go in the sea to cool off because the water here actually feels quite cool. I don't know whether that's because it's just so warm, like in the sun or whatever, but it's so refreshing, and obviously so blue, as we've said many, many times.
Since I ran into you, do you need a picture?
There is also a beach bar where you can get like coconut, rum, coke, whatever you want really. It's pretty cool on this deserted beach. You can only get to this beach by going on a boat, or you can actually kayak, but it's a long kayak as well. So if you want to come to this beach, you do have to get the boat. So this is our last spot, and basically we've just been chilling here for a while, sunbathing, going in the water, and now we are going to head back to mainland, back into El Nido town. So let's go.
I'm sad, but also El Nido town is beautiful, so
yeah, let's go. What did we forget to do?
we forgot to end the video again.
We always seem to do this. So we actually went to a pool party on top of Frendz Hostel, and I show you the rooftop pool. You'll see all the drone shots here and like all the cool stuff. It's amazing up there. There's a rooftop bar and it's just such a nice place to chill out and relax. And basically, yeah, that's the end of the video. It was such a cool trip on Torre, and definitely recommend doing it, especially with Happy Life, because they were so good. The staff are amazing. Anyway guys, thank you for watching the video. Please hit the like button, and subscribe if you haven't, or if you don't want to, don't bother. We will see you in the next video. Yoo-hoo!